So now we're looking at the back. It says, write an equation of a line that passes through the given point and is perpendicular to the given line. Here's your point and here's your equation. What you need to remember about perpendicular lines is that the slope is the flip and the opposite sign. So if my slope of my line is 3 and I want a parallel line, the slope's going to be -1/3. So I get the reciprocal of the slope and then I change the sign. Then you just use point-slope form. Again, point-slope form. Y minus your y of your point equals the slope, x minus the x of your point. So down here, this is my x and y. That would be y minus 2 equals the slope, x minus -9, minus -9 is like +9. And then you distribute. -1/3 times x is -1/3 x. -1/3 times +9, well, negative times a positive is negative, and then it's going to be like 1/3 times 9/1, which is 9/3, which is minus 3 equals, and this hasn't changed. So now I need to get the y by itself so it looks like slope-intercept form. Y equals mx plus b. So the last thing I need to do is add 2 to both sides. So the equation of a line that's perpendicular to this one and goes through this point, the equation of that line is going to be y equals -1/3 x minus